Okay, guys, you gotta watch this video. You need to watch this video. I have posted the answers to the summary and review questions for 7.1 and 7.2. Some of you desperately need to go and look at those and see how they're done, because some of you have lost your minds and you're doing exactly what I've told you not to do. And that's what you're doing. Okay, so we're talking about this assignment here, 7.1, 7.2 review exercises. This is to prepare you for the opportunity over sections 7.1 and 7.2. And so if you do not get the problems correct on these review exercises, do not go on to the opportunity until you understand. Okay, case in point. Look at number 8. See that? Here's what some people are doing. And you're thinking that this is okay, but it's not okay. Okay. All right. Oh, they're going, oh, I can cancel this y and this y. And, oh, 12 and 18, 6 goes into both, so this is 2, and that's 3. And so you're getting, oh, 2 plus 2, that must be 4, and 6. Oh, and that reduce. I mean, no. You can't do it. You can cancel factors, but you can't cancel things that aren't factors. And you see that plus sign there between these two terms, 2y and 12? That means they're married. They're married to one another. You can't just start cutting pieces of them out. No, you cannot do that. Same thing down here. What could you do? Oh, you could factor them, and then you can cancel factors. See, factors are things that are multiplied together. So look, both of these terms have 2 in them. So let me take the 2 out. 2, and I'd have y plus 6. Okay, if I did that. See, if I multiply this back together, that's what I get. Okay, all right. And down here, both of these have 3 in them. So if I factored 3 out, y plus 6. Oh, look. Okay, here's some factors. Okay, y plus 6. See, it's a factor. 2 is being multiplied to y plus 6. Not to y and to 6, but to y plus 6. Down here, I have a y plus 6. See, notice the parentheses is even more of a telltale sign that these things are married. They are co-joined. You can't separate them. Okay, but I can do that. Y plus 6, and I get 2/3. Yes, that I have simplified that. Up here top, no, you cannot do this. Don't do it. Let's take a look at another one. Oh, let's look at 13. Okay, here's what some of you are doing. Oh, well, there's a y here and there's a y up here, so I'm going to cancel that with one of those. There's an x down here. I'll cancel it with one of the x's up there, and so I end up with x over a minus sign. Oh, it must be negative x. No, you cannot do that. Look, I have a difference of squares. Factor it. Okay, so if I factor it, I get x plus y, x minus y. And look, let's take a look at this thing down here. Let me just rearrange it. Okay, so I have negative x plus y, and if I took the negative out, then I would have x minus y. Okay, so I could rearrange this thing. Now look, x minus y, that cancels out, and I'm left with x plus y, and a minus down here, so this would be negative x plus y. Look at the answer key I provided you. Make sure you understand it. If you don't go on to do the opportunity on 7.1, 7.2. Don't. Do you understand? You can't do that. And some of you did it on some of the other ops too that I've reported back to you and told you to redo them. Get it into your brain. You can't do that. Okay. Have I made my point? Okay. I hope I have. All right. Continue to enjoy the Corona apocalypse, but do it right and learn how to do it now, because guess what? Algebra 2's next year. Guess what you're going to be doing next year in Algebra 2? You're going to be factoring till you vomit. So you might as well learn how to factor now. Okay? Do it. Okay. Bye.